Hello and welcome to this calm and simple English practice video. Today we are going to learn English inside a restaurant, and you will listen to a real-life conversation that is slow, clear, and very easy to understand. In this story, I am going to a restaurant, I am feeling a little hungry, and I want to order food in English in a simple and natural way. Please listen carefully to every sentence, because I will speak slowly, and I will repeat important words many times so you can understand and remember them. Do not worry if your English is not perfect, because this video is made for beginners and you can learn step by step just by listening and repeating with me. Before we begin, I want to ask you a small question, and you need to listen carefully during the conversation to find the answer. The question is, what food do I order at the restaurant today? Listen carefully, try to find the answer, and if you know the answer, you can write it in the comments in English. Now relax, focus, and let's begin our story at the restaurant. Hello, good afternoon. I am looking for a place to sit because I am very hungry, and I would like to eat something simple and delicious today. And this restaurant looks very calm and comfortable. So I think this is a good place for me to stay and have a nice meal.
Hello, good afternoon. Welcome to our restaurant. I am very happy to see you here today, and I will help you find a nice table where you can sit, relax, and enjoy your food. So please follow me and I will show you a comfortable place near the window where you can have a good view and feel relaxed.
Thank you very much. I really like this table near the window because it is quiet and I can sit comfortably. And now I would like to see the menu because I want to choose something good to eat, something simple but also very tasty.
Of course, here is the menu, and you can take your time to look at all the options because we have many different kinds of food, like burgers, pasta, salads, and drinks. And if you have any questions about the food or if you need help to choose, I will be here to help you.
Thank you. I am looking at the menu now and I can see many interesting options. But I am not sure what I want to eat yet because everything looks very good. And I want to choose something that is not too heavy but still very delicious and satisfying.
That is a very good idea. And if you want something not too heavy, I can recommend a simple burger with fresh ingredients or a light salad with chicken, because both options are very popular and many people like them because they are tasty and not too big.
I see, that sounds very good. And I think I like the idea of a burger because I am a little hungry and I want something warm and simple. But I also want to know more about the burger before I decide. So can you tell me what comes with the burger?
Yes, of course, our burger is made with fresh bread, a piece of meat, lettuce, tomato, and a special sauce that gives a very nice flavor, and it also comes with a side of fries. So it is a complete meal that is simple, tasty, and very popular in our restaurant.
That sounds very good and very simple. And I like the idea of having fries with the burger because I enjoy eating fries. And now I am thinking that this could be a very good choice for me today, because I am hungry and I want something easy to eat.
Yes, it is a very good choice, and many people who come here for the first time choose this burger because it is simple and delicious, and it is also easy to eat and not too complicated, so it is perfect for a relaxed meal.
That is great, and now I feel more confident about my choice. But before I order, I also want to ask about the drinks because I would like something to drink with my meal, something refreshing and simple that goes well with a burger.
Of course, we have many drinks that you can choose from, like water, juice, soda, and also some hot drinks. And if you want something simple and refreshing, I can recommend a cold glass of water or a fresh juice, because both are very good options with a burger.
I think I would like something very simple, so I will choose water because it is refreshing and light, and I want to keep my meals simple and comfortable, so I can enjoy the food without feeling too full or too heavy.
That is a very good choice. And water is always a great option because it is simple, refreshing, and goes well with any kind of food. So now I understand that you want something simple, comfortable, and easy to enjoy.
Yes, that is exactly what I want today. I want a simple and relaxing meal. And now I am ready to order my food because I have decided what I want to eat and drink.
Perfect. I am ready to take your order. So please tell me what you would like, and I will make sure everything is prepared for you in the best way possible so you can have a great experience here in our restaurant.
I would like to order the burger with fries that you recommended, because it sounds very delicious and simple. And I also would like a glass of water to drink, because I want something refreshing with my meal. And I think this is a perfect combination for me today.
Very good. That is a great choice. And I will bring your burger with fries and your glass of water very soon. And I'm sure you will enjoy your meal because it is one of our most popular and simple dishes that many people love.
Thank you very much. I am very excited to try the food because I am hungry and everything sounds very good. And I am happy that I chose something simple and easy to eat.
You are welcome, and I will be back soon with your order. So please relax and enjoy your time here, and if you need anything else, you can call me and I will be happy to help you.
Thank you very much. I will relax and wait for my food. And while I wait, I will look around the restaurant because it is a very calm and comfortable place. And I can see other people eating and talking quietly. And this makes me feel relaxed and happy to be here.
Hello again. I am coming back with your order, and here is your burger with fries and your glass of water. Everything is fresh and warm, and I hope you enjoy your meal because it was prepared carefully for you.
Thank you very much. The food looks very good and smells delicious. And I am excited to start eating because I am very hungry and this looks like a perfect meal for me.
You are welcome, and please take your time to enjoy your food slowly. And if you need anything more, like extra sauce or another drink, you can call me and I will be happy to help you.
Thank you. I will start eating now. And I will try the burger first because it looks very good and I want to taste it while it is still warm and fresh. This burger is very tasty and simple. And I really like the flavor because the bread is soft and the meat is warm, and the vegetables are fresh, and everything together makes a very good combination that is easy to eat and very enjoyable. The fries are also very good. They are crispy and warm. And I like eating fries with a burger because they go very well together. And this makes the meal feel complete and satisfying.
I am happy to see that you are enjoying your food, because we always try to make simple and delicious meals that people can enjoy without any problem, and it is important for us that you feel comfortable and satisfied.
Yes, I am really enjoying this meal. And I like how simple everything is because it makes it easy to relax and just enjoy the moment without thinking too much. And this is exactly what I wanted today.
That is very nice to hear. And sometimes a simple meal is the best choice because it is easy, comfortable, and still very tasty. And many people come here looking for that same experience.
I understand that, and I think simple food is very good when you just want to feel relaxed and happy. And this burger and fries are exactly what I needed today.
I am glad you feel that way. And if you want, you can also try some sauce with your fries, because we have different kinds of sauce that can add more flavor to your meal.
That sounds interesting. And I would like to try a sauce because I want to see how it changes the taste of the fries. And I think it could make the meal even more enjoyable.
Very good. I will bring you a simple sauce that many people like, and it is not too strong, so it will be easy to taste and enjoy with your fries.
Thank you. I will try the fries with the sauce when you bring it, and I am curious to see how it tastes because I like trying small new things with my food.
Here is the sauce, and you can try a little first to see if you like it, and then you can use more if you want, because it is always good to try slowly and see what you prefer.
Thank you. I will try a little now, and I will eat one fry with the sauce to taste it carefully and understand the flavor. The sauce is very good. It is simple but tasty, and it goes very well with the fries. And now I like the fries even more because the sauce adds a new flavor that is easy and enjoyable. Thank you. And before I go, I want to say that this was a great way to practice English in a real situation. And I hope you enjoyed listening and learning with this conversation. If you liked this video and you want to learn more simple and easy English with me, please leave a like and continue practicing every day, because practice makes you better and more confident.